Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting, and today we are guys how to solve color inversion problem in Tecno mobile. Friends, you can see when you use any app and you can see this like ghost app, photos, images. So friends, how can I solve, and when you want to solve guys the screen color problem in your Tecno phone device. So guys, color inversion problem guys we call it. So friends, now let's see how to solve Tecno mobile color inversion problem. Friend, first of all guys, you will have to open your phone setting to solve guys this problem. So friends, we will on guys our Tecno phone setting. Then two method guys I will show you guys you can solve this problem. First guys, with full setting guys, step by step we will solve. Open your special function setting first of all. Second guys, accessibility setting you will have to on it. Third guys, scroll, and guys fourth guys, color inversion setting guys you can find here, and guys you will have to tap here to solve your screen color problem. Friends, you can see you can use your YouTube app and guys every app without any screen color problem. Friends, you can see screen color problem will solve. And then second guys, now guys, as you can see again guys we have this problem. So guys, how to solve direct me shortly setting if I talk about. So guys, click on your phone setting, and guys you don't know where is your color inversion setting, how to solve. Friends, on guys your phone search bar, and guys search here guys your color setting, color inversion guys we will search here guys. Friends, you can see color inversion setting guys we will tap here to solve. Friends, you can see color inversion we will tap here guys, right side use color inversion, tap here to solve. Friends, you can see screen color problem has solved in Tecno phone device, and guys, we can use easily our phone without any screen color problem. So like that guys, we can solve guys screen color inversion problem in our Tecno phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, so guys you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.